Hello guys, would you like to draw a cute baby elephant like this? Then let's draw. Well, then let's get started. First, we need to draw the template. In this way, you have to draw a circle on the head and mark the trunk. Then mark the abdomen and legs. Now we need to make the image a little clearer about this template. Okay, then we draw the image clearly with a black platinum. When drawing such a picture, you have to be patient and draw without any fuss. If you think this video will be useful for your friends, don't forget to share it with them. If you want to get the other video we are releasing soon, subscribe to us and click on the bell icon next to it. Now we will carefully erase the pencil lines with an eraser. Okay, let's paint this image now. We paint the elephant's body purple. When painting, we must remember to paint carefully and patiently on the same side. Let's paint the inside of the ear pink. Here is a cute baby elephant. Beautiful, isn't it? Don't forget to comment below about this elephant. Goodbye and see you again. Bye.